In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid Telegram channel step by step using Telegram desktop on your PC. This is a great option if you want to share premium content, build a membership style community, or offer exclusive updates to your audience and get paid directly inside Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select New Channel. This is where you'll start setting up your paid channel from scratch. Next, Telegram will ask you to enter your channel name. Choose a name that clearly tells people what your channel is about, especially if you're planning to sell access to premium content. After that, add a description. This is important because it helps potential subscribers understand what they'll get, whether that's daily tips, private posts, behind the scenes content, or exclusive updates. Now you'll need to set the channel type to private. This is an important step because a paid channel should not be public. A private channel gives you more control over who joins, and it works best when you're offering access through an invite link or a paid membership option. Once you've chosen private, continue through the setup and finish creating the channel. After your channel is created, go to your channel profile. You can do this by opening the channel and clicking on its name or profile area at the top. From there, click Manage. In the management settings, find channel type and then look for Invite Links. This is where Telegram lets you control how people get access to your private channel. Inside Invite Links, click Create a new link. This generates a fresh invite option for your paid members. After that, turn on Require Monthly Fee. This is the setting that makes the channel paid instead of free. When this option is enabled, Telegram will allow you to set a recurring monthly price for access. Now set the price in Telegram stars. Make sure the amount matches the value of your content and the audience you want to attract. If you're just starting out, it can help to choose a reasonable price so more people are willing to join. Once the price is set, confirm the settings and save your link. At this point, your paid Telegram channel is ready. Anyone who gets access through that invite link will need to pay the monthly fee in order to join. This makes it a simple way to monetize your content while keeping everything inside Telegram. A few quick tips before you go. Make sure your channel description is clear and compelling. Keep your paid content organized so subscribers know exactly what they're getting. And before promoting your link, test the setup so you can confirm the monthly fee is working properly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.